what is the slope of the following curve when it crosses the positive part of the y-axis? The slope of the curve. It happened. Calculus. Some old hippie caught another hippie tripping on this, and I'm still having a hard time getting past that one. Okay. What is the slope of the following curve when it crosses the positive part of the y-axis? So right off the bat, we need, what's that?
X-axis.
Positive part of the x-axis, yes. Right off the bat, what are we going to need? The derivative. And what is the derivative of that? Oh, not 2x. So whenever we figure out what the value of x is, we just plug it in there, and then we're good, right? So what's the value of x? Well, we need to figure out where it crosses the positive part of the y-axis. Let's ignore that positive part for a second. When you cross the y-axis, or I'm getting it backwards again. When you cross the x-axis, what's going on there? When y equals 0. So I'm going to take this curve, I'm going to set y equal to 0, and I'm going to solve for x. Let's just see what we get. That Sakatoa thing's still tripping me up. So how do I solve this? What? Oh. Okay. All right. You haven't been tripping on acid, have you? Okay. All right. So 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 plus 40 over 20, right? So equals 3 plus or minus 7 over 20. So I get x equals, was it 10 over 20 or minus 4 over 20, or x equals 1/2 comma minus 1/5. Which one do I use? The positive part of the x-axis. So I go back up here and I say dy over dx at x equals 1/2 is
Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. Click below and subscribe.